everyone, Amanda here. Thanks for joining me today. If you are new, do hit the subscribe button, I'd be ever so grateful. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello, thanks for coming back. So I did announce a few days ago on my Facebook to my followers and friends that I had been accepted to another design team. I love being on design teams. It helps give my creativity focus. I get to share what I do. I get the pleasure of being given free kits to work with, and obviously help inspire along the way. So it's a win-win for me. So the lady who I'm going to be designing for now is Debbie Ann Parent. Now she's the owner of Ephemera's Vintage Garden. Fantastic, lovely lady. I have followed her myself for many years. She's been doing journals since before it became, it's really popular at the moment. Journal making and junk journals has really blossomed, and it's become really popular probably over the last couple of years more so. Ladies like Debbie had been doing them for years and years, and she does have a YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the link for that in the description below. She's got heaps of videos, and I will say that anything technical to do with journaling I have learned from Debbie. So how to sew my signatures in, how to put my covers on, how to put signatures together, everything I have learned from Debbie. There's not much that you won't find on her channel that you'd need to know about journaling and the journaling process. Plus she makes the most amazing journals. They really are beautiful, and she's a lovely natured lady as well, very kind, lovely soft voice. She's from Canada. She's nice to watch. Yeah, very good. So I'm going to leave all of her links in the description box below. She has an Etsy shop called Ephemera's Garden, and then she does have a website as well, Ephemera's Vintage Garden. And yeah, so I'll leave the link for those two, and her YouTube. So I've chosen Steampunk Love, and the full title of it is Steampunk Love Ephemera Bundle. I'll leave a direct link for that, for this kit, in the description box as well. And I picked it because I really wanted to do another steampunk. I've done one previously, quite a while back. I've still lots to learn when it comes to doing steampunk, and I do struggle with the more grungy elements of steampunk. It intimidates me a little bit, but I love steampunk. And so when I saw this kit, I just thought that has hit the nail on the head for me, because it's soft and it's pretty, and I'm not going to feel overwhelmed by this kit at all. So the colours are soft. We've got floral clusters which make it feel pretty and and soft. I like shabby vintage, and to me this feels like shabby vintage. It's just lovely, really nicely put together. Muted colours so that you could add whatever colour you want as the focus. Draw one colour out and decide what you like. There's touches of red and touches of blue in here, and small touches of orange. Yeah, so you could do what you could add what you like as your colour. I've not decided yet. We'll see. So so these are part of the the cutouts, the ephemera. You could obviously print everything 2 or 3 or 4 to a page, make them smaller, etc. These are the tags, aren't they beautiful? Absolutely lovely. And what I sometimes do with tags is sometimes digital creators will put images on tags that aren't anywhere else, I find, and so sometimes I'll get a tag and I'll fussy cut the image. We'll always just use things exactly as they are given to you. It's good to just think outside the box a little bit. Okay. And then there's envelopes, beautiful cluster again there, and there's some lace behind there. Printed that out twice because I liked it. And then, like I say, there's that little touch of blue there that's been pulled out for this envelope here. And again, we've got the soft floral cluster behind, which is really lovely. Really like it. And then we've got more ephemera here with these altered cabinet cards. And then we've got these drawer pulls and you know, like book plates or drawer plates, some cogs. Obviously, if these are a little large, you can print again 2 to a page, make them smaller. You can do what you want with them. And then the pages, and I really liked this. The pages here are quite, they are for writing. So, you know, sometimes I'm guilty of over-decorating my journals and not having enough writing space. So these are, you know, like, they've got the appearance that the tea dyed, and it's lined. And it very softly in the background, I don't know if you'll be able to see, it's got like engineering drawings or schematics, whatever you want to call it, you know, it's very subtly in the background as a layer. And then we've got these small clusters here, so it doesn't do, you know, you've got a bit of decoration, but you don't have to do anything else to the page. Now I've shrunk a lot of mine down, a lot of, in the other bits that I'm going to show you, I've shrunk them down because I want to make a short stout book. You can obviously fill it to A4 or whatever, print 2 to a page, make journal cards out of them. There's so much you can do. You could print extra and fussy cut that out. And then what else I'll do is, when I've decided what I'm doing, I shall turn them over, put them back through my printer and print something else on the back. You know, whatever that may be from my collection. So that is the Steampunk Love. Now, what you also do get with this kit, and it's absolutely outstanding, to be honest, for the price point of this kit, you get a bonus kit. So what this is, essentially, is a free kit. And it's a kit that was available previously that Debbie Ann has retired, and so you can't purchase this part of the kit, you can only get it for free. I mean, how awesome is that? Now, I haven't printed every page of this kit out. There are lots of pages as well, you know, journal pages in this. So I haven't printed everything out because I wasn't sure what I wanted to use yet. And I'm not a wasteful person. But look at these fantastic images. Beautiful tags. And then here again, more steampunks. This one's called Steampunk Voyage. So like I say, this is an add-on freebie of a kit that was previously available and no longer is. Beautiful book, the covers there. I shall be having a think about what I'm going to do. And again, I've shrunk some of these ones down because I want obviously the main focus here is the Steampunk Love, so those are going to be my main pages, and then these I've shrunk down. I might make pockets out of them or layer them or whatever. There we go. Beautiful. I like that one. Fabulous. So you know, ephemera for you to cut out and use. These were another book cover, and I've printed them 2 to a page because I'm going to make little file folders maybe out of them, all little tiny notebooks. So I've printed them to suit myself. This I love. I absolutely love this one. It's really pretty. I love the background on there. So it's like, I think it's like newspaper print maybe, and then she's layered on with pattern, and then we've got a rusty key and a lock. It's lovely. There we go. Another one. This one's a pocket lined pocket page, so you could just fold it and glue it and you've got a pocket. Beautiful. Love it. And then we've got more ephemera there. And some more there. That's like a little file folder pocket type thing, I think. Is it? No, it's a little pocket. Sorry, I beg your pardon. The dotted lines are there. I had not looked properly. So it will fold under and that will fold under, and it makes a little pocket, and obviously you can put one of these in. So there you go. So that's the freebie. So you're getting an awful lot of images there for quite a small price point. Beautiful. I can't wait. It's almost hard to talk about because whilst I'm talking to you, my mind's distracted thinking of what I'm going to make. I'm kind of half here and half thinking about what I'm going to do. So yeah, we'll be having some awesome fun, and I do have the lovely cogs that somebody sent me, and I've been trying to collect some bits and bobs of other things, but I will chiefly be using this kit. So yeah, do go and have a look. Keep an eye out for when I do my flip through, and I'm absolutely thrilled and very, very honoured to be on Ephemera's Vintage Garden Design team. So woohoo! Right, thanks for watching. follow the links below. Make sure at the very bare minimum you do go and subscribe to her channel, because believe you and me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.